So, thank you um, for giving us your time. We are doing this usability testing on Snapdeal.com. So we are basically testing its website, how user friendly it is. So it is no way a test of your skills. So you don't need to panic or get in stress. So we are just testing the website. So there is no right way or wrong way. So please feel free, and I will be giving you some fictional scenario. Based on that, you have to complete some task. So your first scenario is that you are using a Philips mixer grinder since past 5 years. Now that mixer grinder has broke down, so you are quite happy with what Philips has provided you. So you want to stick to the same brand, but however your price range that you want to buy an advanced model of the mixer grinder. Previous mixer grinder was around 3000 to 4000 price range, but now you want to increase your price range to max 8000. So based on that, you have to complete two tasks. First task is that you have to find an Philips mixer grinder, but you can't use the search box. You have to use the explore function. Then after going to the explore function, then out of the products that are available to you on the screen, you have to filter and choose your favorite one. Then you have to add it to your cart. So this is the first task. After this, I will be providing you the second task. So you can proceed now.
Okay, so basically I have to find a mixer grinder which is of Philips, and it should be better than before one, right? Okay.
Yes, advanced.
Okay, advanced version of the previous grinder.
Okay.
So here we are on the home page of user/mixer/grinder. So here we have to find the mixture grinder from Philips, and my budget is about 8000. Okay, should be more than 4000, right? Let's dive into the company page. Apply. So there are some options. I have to find the grinder from Philips. Where is it? There is no grinder available here. Let's decrease the base price. Now let's see what happens. Still I can't find any mixer grinder from Philips. Let's increase the price. Again, Still I can't find any. So now I have to change my mind and buy this mixer grinder. This one, I guess. No, that's not suits me. I'll buy. The latex is not a good company. Let's change. Enter more brands. Bajaj would be a good option. There's no Bajaj grinder as well, so I have to go with other brands. Let's see, Kent, Havells. Okay, let's clear all filters and go for a brand that I don't know, but I guess it will fulfill my needs. Let's stick with this. Okay.
So this is where your first task completes. So next task is to see whether there is any suggestion or not in the cart itself. So it might show you based on the item you have selected. So if this grinder is an kitchen appliance, so it may show you based on it may show you items that may come in handy in the kitchen, maybe a bowl or a knife, anything. So you have to check for that. Is there any option available? Then you have to try selecting or adding more items to it, to your cart. Then try various options that are available to you. Try removing, try adding anything that you normally would have done in a normal your
purchase.
online shopping.
So basically there is no option to add here. Nothing is showing in the cart page. If I have to do something else, then I will try to find out, maybe see some other users. Let's see if there is anybody else who can compete with this. I think there's no other that suits me better than this, so I'll stick with this. I will go for checkout.
So here you may add more items, or later on you may choose between various payment methods. So you explore all the options that are available to you.
Okay, so here is the grinder. I don't need any more things, so now I will go to payment section. Let's see how can I pay. Credit card is a good option, but I will go for cash on delivery. Okay, so COD is available, so I will go for that. Okay, it's done. I think, yeah, it's done.
So your second scenario is that your in your bathroom
Okay.
there is a water leakage problem. So you know that you can fix that problem without the help of any plumber. So for that you want to buy a hardware tool. So the problem is that you don't know the name of that tool
Okay.
in English. You
Okay.
are familiar with it in your mother tongue. So you can, however, you can um, recognize this tool by looking at its picture. So that is why you want to try the explore function, so that you can by looking at it you can select it.
Okay. So I want to buy item that can help me to fix my leakage problem, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here you can find the tools and hardwares, and their bathroom accessories may help me. No. 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 There is no product like that. So I have to go with another search button. Home utility, maybe no. Power and hand tools, that will help me. Okay, yeah, here it is. I need this and this, so I will add two things which can help me. Let's open this. Yeah, it's a good option. Add this and next another item that will help me. Okay, I will go for these two items. So let's proceed to pay. Now proceed to payment. Let's go for cash on delivery and checkout. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you for your time. So I have some post testing questionnaire. So I want to know how was your experience. Mm.
Okay, so using this site, I can say firmly that it gives you a wide range of options in the sense of categories, but it doesn't give you much of products. So it was hard to find me the product that I wished, but I can't find it. But I would say still it got something in it. If they focus on adding some products, then they can improve. That's
So,
it.
while you shop online, what are the few things that you keep in mind while choosing the shopping platforms among other competitors of Snapdeal? Uh, while you choose one, what are the few qualities you look for?
Okay, first of all, I like the user interface. If a website can give you something very easily in one tap or two tap like this also have that quality. Other competitors of Snapdeal also have that. I like that thing, and the other thing is that the wide range of product availability. If they can give you wide range of products, you have more chance to select from them. But in in the case of Snapdeal, there's no selection on your wish. So I would suggest to switch other platform if you need wide range of varieties. That's all.
So, if there were only one thing that you could change, so what is that one thing that you would change to make this experience more better?
I think the user interface is very good, but I would suggest Snapdeal to add as much as item they can, so that the customer can get a chance to buy something that he need. That's all. They should add much more products than this.
Okay, but thank you for your time.